Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to simply enhance your video quality just a little bit for it to look way sharper and brighter. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, in order to do this, all you have to do is go ahead and scroll until you will see adjust option. You can also go to filters option and then click adjust. It will be the same. After that, you want to go ahead and find brilliance or exposure. It's the same. And you want to do this to 5 and sharpen. Sharpen should be 30. And then you're going to click the check mark. Make sure that this effect is through the whole video. And that's pretty much it. It already enhanced the quality of the video, as you can see. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Bye.